we are looking at next geometrical shape as pyramid. So you must have seen the pyramids of Egypt. That's the shape of the uh, pyramid. But geometrically, we can say a pyramid is a solid. Solid means it is filled, whose base is a plane rectilinear figure, and whose side faces are triangles having a common vertex, having a common vertex outside the base of the outside the plane of the base, the plane of the base. We'll draw a diagram and then we'll see or verify this definition. So if we say this is the pyramid and this is its backside, we can say. So this point, will name these points. So this is V, A, B, C, D and E. So this pyramid is known as V the vertex, that is common vertex, common point, and with the base A, B, C, D, E. So pyramid is a solid whose base is a plane rectilinear figure. So this is a rectilinear figure. It's a pentagon, means 5 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a pentagon whose faces are triangles. So we'll see first, base is a pentagon, that is base is A, B, C, D, E. It's a rectilinear figure and it's a pentagon. Then side faces, these side faces are triangles. So we can name these triangles at V, B, C, then V, C, D, then V, D, E, then V, E, A, and V, A, B. So these are 5 faces. So base is a rectilinear figure, so solid whose base is a plane rectilinear figure. So pyramid is a solid whose base is a rectilinear figure whose side faces are triangles. So we verify the base as rectilinear figure, side faces as triangles, and having a common vertex outside of the plane of the base. So this is the plane of the base, and it has all have a common vertex, that is we have given the name here V. Outside the plane means not here, outside the plane of the vertex, that is V, it lies above. So the common vertex here is V. So it satisfies all three conditions, making this pyramid, and we know this pyramid as V A B C D E. Then we'll see terms related to this pyramid. We'll draw. Before that, we'll see directly here. Vertex. Vertex is a common vertex of the triangular faces of pyramid, is known as vertex of the pyramid. So in this figure we have this point as common, and we name this is vertex, and we name it as V. This is common to all triangle faces of the pyramid. Now height. So height, it is height of the pyramid, we are saying it is the length of the perpendicular from vertex to the base. It is the length of the perpendicular. So if we draw a pyramid here, so this is our pyramid. We name the base of the pyramid as A, B, C, and D. So if we draw a perpendicular from here, and this is the common point vertex V. So if we draw like this, this is the perpendicular on the base of the pyramid. So if we draw this, this is the center of the base, that is O, and this is perpendicular, denoted by the right angle triangle cone. So A, B, C, D is the base, vertex is V with base center as O. So length of VO, here perpendicular actually on the center, it can move anywhere on the plane, but for current figure the perpendicular pass through the center. So length of the VO is the height of the pyramid. Now the next thing is to look for axis. So the axis of pyramid is straight line joining the vertex to the central point of the base. So in our case it is this line VO. This is axis of the this line VO. So line VO is also axis of the pyramid. Axis of the pyramid, straight line joining vertex to the central point of the base. So vertex is V and central point of the base is O. So VO is the line segment. It is the axis and its length is the height of the pyramid. Or in our case, the axis and the perpendicular we draw are one of the same. In our case, it may, as per the pyramid shape, it may like it come axis, the perpendicular can come like this also, but it depends on the shape of the pyramid. For current shape, the perpendicular passes through the center of the base and it's also the axis of the pyramid.